In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fade songs in Soundtrap. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a smooth professional fade so your track starts cleanly and blends in naturally. First, head over to the Soundtrap website. On the home page, look for the Login button and click it. On the Login screen, choose Login with Google. When your Google accounts appear, select the one you want to use and complete the sign-in. In a moment, you'll land back in Soundtrap. From there, click on Studio to open the Soundtrap Studio workspace. Once the studio loads, you'll see your tracks laid out on the timeline. Find the audio or music clip you want to fade. To create a fade at the very beginning of that clip, move your mouse to the top left corner of the clip. A small white circle, also called a handle, will appear. Click and drag that white circle toward the center of the clip. As you drag, you'll see a diagonal line appear along the top of the waveform. That line represents the fade curve, and the farther you drag, the longer and more gradual your fade in will be. Release the mouse when the fade length feels right, then press play to preview how it sounds coming in from silence. If it comes in too abruptly, simply grab the handle again and drag a bit farther to extend it. If it feels too slow or dulls the impact, shorten it by dragging the handle back toward the start. This edit is non-destructive, so you can refine it as many times as you like until it fits the groove of your song. Here are a few quick tips as you dial it in. Short fades, roughly 1/4 of a second to 1 second, are great for tight intros and beats that need a punchy start without a click. Longer fades, anywhere from 2 to 4 seconds or more, work well for ambient intros, pads, or when you want vocals or instruments to bloom in gently. Keep an eye on the waveform and the track meter. A smoother visual slope usually translates to a smoother sound. If the handle is hard to grab, hover carefully at the top left edge of the clip until it appears, and make small adjustments for precision. That's it. You went to Soundtrap, logged in with Google, opened the studio, and created a clean fade by dragging the white handle from the top left corner toward the center of your clip. Save your progress and enjoy the polished intro.